But if you are the type who really wants things to be exactly perfect and the best in every situation, or you have the time, or, and this is key, if your strength is writing, maybe you're starting with the article and then doing the live from that. And here I wrote, this can take from 10 minutes to 2 hours to do. Why? Because it depends on how much you want to tweak and rewrite the content. If you want to do it in 10 minutes, I would say pull the script from the video that is created by AI, pop it into Chat GPT and say, write me an article, bit of editing, add in a bit of personal touch. So it's you and your voice, which is the most important for consistency. And you've got an article. Key, if your strength is writing, maybe you're starting with the article and then doing the live from that. It's about finding your strengths and leveraging them. So here's an example article I wrote.